Hello students, welcome to class. Today we are here during a premiere. People are typing all kinds of things. I'm trying to type things as well, but I thought I would turn the camera on because everything was just going so fast and I couldn't read all the answers, even though I slowed the chat down to 15 seconds so nobody can type more than once every 15 seconds. Anyway, let's go over some of your questions, some of your comments, and we'll just do this in this way. That way you can see live what it is that I am trying to convey here. So for those of you who don't know, I am That Vegan Teacher. I'm 57 years old. I live here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and I'm here on social media for one reason only, and that is to help you understand that the animals that you eat have suffered a lot and that we need to work towards a vegan world. So I've put one comment here and it says, if you're not vegan, you're an animal abuser. It's as simple as that. There's no in between. You must be vegan from now on if you want to call yourself a good person. Paying for murder is evil. So let's see what some of the other comments are here. Somebody says, eat rocks then. Well, I don't suggest that you eat rocks because there's no nutritional value in them. I suggest that you eat plants. Plants don't feel pain. They don't have a brain. They don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart. You know where to start. Sing this song and be vegan from now on. Someone else writes, Toby says, one reason to be vegan is that plants won't be hurt. Don't know what you mean. I have no idea what that says. People can enjoy things and still be vegan. Enjoy things and still be vegan. Yeah, you can enjoy all kinds of things. You can enjoy swimming, you can enjoy skipping, you can enjoy playing chess, you can enjoy learning about history, learning about science. Of course, I agree. TVT, that means That Vegan Teacher. You said everything is vegan, so the planets and universe also. I never said everything is vegan. I think you misunderstood. Veganism is about doing the least harm to animals. Thank you to anyone who's watching Vegan Mindgan. I don't know what that means. Hi, can I please have moderator? Vegan is the best thing ever. If you want to be a moderator on my channel, that's wonderful. So the first thing that you do is you change your name to be a vegan moderator name. So you write your first name, then you write underscore with the word vegan, and then you write the city that you're from and the country, and you write your age at the end. This shows me that you're serious and that you want to be put into blue as a moderator role. Right now, I don't think we have any moderators on. I haven't seen any anyway. It is around noon. It's 11:46 here on December 15th. It's almost Christmas. Don't forget, if you're buying vegan gifts, to make sure that you check the label really well, that there's no eggs if you're buying baked goods, there's no cheese, there's no milk and things, and of course, no dead animal flesh. Let's have a look at what else we have. Someone says, go Mindgan. What if my Mindgan bed next to yours? I don't know what this Mindgan is. Someone's saying, go vegan, vegan diamonds as well. Eat the diamonds. Don't know why you'd want to eat diamonds. They don't have any nutritional value, unless that's some sort of Minecraft term that I'm not aware of. I don't know. Yeah, in the video that is about to go up, I am talking to a child who sent me a video and said, hey, Miss Katie, you should play Minecraft. And then in the video, that person is showing me different ways that they are mentioning the fruits and the vegetables. That person created a store of some sort. Anyway, so let's look at this. Vegan food is best. Yes. Vegan food is great. It has vitamins and minerals, everything you need, all the protein that you need. There are vegans in the Olympics, and you can be 100% healthy as a vegan. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that you can be vegan at any stage of development. You can be vegan as a kid, as a teenager, as a parent, as a grandparent, as a mother, as a pregnant mother, and as a lactating mother. Embrace veganism and eat human flesh. No, I don't suggest that you do that. There's no reason to eat humans, and it's also illegal to kill, so I wouldn't do that. Yummy Minecraft food for free. Who wants it? Okay. Don't know what you mean, what kind of food you're talking about. Being vegan only halfway is good enough. No, it's not. That's like saying that being racist is okay as long as you're only racist half the time. It doesn't make sense. When you know that racism is wrong, you end it completely. When you know that homophobia is wrong, you end it completely. When you know that hurting animals is wrong, you end it completely. Oh, nice. Vegan Marsh put all these wonderful things that go vegan, so I'm going to press show button for that so we can see that. Why love a dog but eat a cow? Okay, so why love a rose but eat a cauliflower? So I've seen this one by Paulette, this person before. They keep spamming the same thing. So if you shouldn't just love dogs and then eat cows because they are both sentient, but if you want to go ahead and eat a rose, you're perfectly welcome to. I don't suggest it, but you can also eat broccoli, and you can eat potatoes, lentils, beans, chickpeas, all kinds of things. Excuse me. I have a little tickle in my throat. What does this say? Dark is inside our body. Not sure what you mean by that. Yes, alive, rocks, and other minerals. Don't know what you're trying to say there. Eat redstone, that's vegan. Don't know what you're talking about. Watch Naruto and play this Roblox game. That has nothing to do with the vegan classroom. Redstone, so good. I want him to react to Oli London's videos too. None of these comments have anything to do with the animals and saving the planet. Eat salt only. That's not a good idea. Vegan Kate Wisconsin says hi. Hi. Nice to see you here. Message is held for review, and this one says go vegan. So that one we will show. I guess the YouTube algorithm or whatever, the YouTube computer wasn't sure, but that's fine. All right. We have here people putting all kinds of things that have nothing whatsoever to do with veganism. So we're going to put these people in a timeout for a while because I'm not sure why you're telling people to watch Minecraft, but this is a vegan classroom, so let's keep it to vegan stuff. I'm not sure what you're doing. I guess let's see, put these people in timeout for a while. Okay, so over here on the side of my screen, I actually have a bunch of different things, and I'm encouraging people to post my comments. I'm going to post one right here, right now. So I put this down here, and it says, let's see if I can move this up here and get this here, down here. Okay. Okay, I cannot seem to access my own comment here. Let me just see if I can shrink this, if that's going to help. Let's see, does that do anything here? Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to post a comment here. Now this says, don't eat chickens, cows, pigs, turkeys, fish, or lambs. Animals have a right to their body integrity. We have no right to take them from their homes. When will our world change? When you do. So go vegan. So this person here is just being silly. Let's take this away. Sometimes we have a bunch of teenagers who just don't have anything better to do. So let's put hide the user on the channel. Oh no, that's a bit rash. No, let's not do that. Let's put this person, where did it go? Let's put this person in a timeout. Yeah, timeout. I don't like to ban people because they always can come back and learn. Be vegan, show you care, open your heart. Yes, vegan girl. Okay, oops, I didn't end up sending this. That here. Oh, it's because it's 201 characters. It has to be 200. So I just took away a space at the end. Somebody's writing here, you can be vegan and human at the same time. As human flesh is vegan due to the fact that humans are lesser. Don't know what you're saying. What's the best thing ever? Watching vegan teacher get roasted. Well, I know a lot of people try to make fun of veganism because they feel guilty themselves for eating the animals. And they also don't have a lot of willpower. They're not strong, they're not brave, they lack courage. And so what they do is they act like bullies and they start to try to make fun of those of us who have integrity, who are trying really hard not to hurt the animals because they feel guilty about it. But the reality is that they can be strong and they can be courageous and they can be fair and they can be kind. It just comes from their peace of mind. So you just have to decide to yourself, I'm going to be vegan for the animals because I don't want to hurt them. And then you go forward from there. So in other words, you bring nothing that's non-vegan into your home. You only bring vegan things into your home. So you bring veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes. You load up on things in your shopping cart like potatoes and rice and pasta, and you Google vegan recipes. You can make vegan lasagna, vegan tacos, vegan pizza. You can make vegan shepherd's pie, delicious soups and stews, all kinds of things. All right, so let's keep going here. What is your favorite card? That has nothing whatsoever to do with anything. So I'm going to go on to this one, and I am going to put this person in timeout because this is a vegan classroom. We are a vegan classroom. Keep the conversation about the animals. All right. What is this? I'm pescatarian, says someone. Oh, pescatarian is not good enough. Pescatarians still pay people to murder fish, and that's not necessary. We can eat other things. And in fact, the scientists have predicted that we might have fishless oceans by the year 2048 because of mass overfishing right now. If you want to learn a little bit more about that, go to the documentary called Seaspiracy. Seaspiracy on Netflix to learn. You will learn all about what happens to the oceans. It's very sad what happens there. Why eat one and love the other? Come on, guys and gals, think about it. Be vegan from now on and love all animals, says Gar Vegan Dover. Okay, so that's great. I'm going to give this person some love for that message. So I'm going to go G-A-R, tap here, at G-A-R. There we go. And say thank you for being here. There we go. Would you talk about a 9-year-old? Why would you talk about a 9-year-old? Not sure who you're talking about, but the person in the video was clearly a child who comes from a vegan family and who had permission from their parents to post about vegan things and was very proud to be vegan. So I like to draw attention to that. I know the thumbnail looks like I'm angry at him, but I'm actually not because the person is vegan, it turns out. What if I step on a little ant on an accident and it died? Well, if you step on an ant by accident, accidents happen. Don't hurt animals on purpose. Whoops. Oh no. I put a D at the end. Let's get rid of that. Let's remove that and write that again. Accidents happen. Don't hurt animals on purpose. Period. There we go. Okay, 4 minutes left until the video starts. Don't be vegetarian, go further, go vegan. Yes, this vegan girl, that's right. So I'm going to actually see if I can make this vegan girl a moderator because this person seems to be trying to be, oh, you know what? I'm going to wait a little while. I'm going to ask her actually to wear her uniform. Now, when I talk about a uniform, what I mean is that if you want to be a moderator on this channel, what you do is you wear the vegan uniform. I'm just going to look over here on my other computer screen. And what you do is you write your name the way that I explained to you before. And so if she wants to be a vegan teacher here, that's what she can do. So here's an example. Is you would write your name like this. So the word vegan in the city like this. Example, Susie Vegan, Paris, France, 28. That way we know which time zone people are in and we have a rough idea of how old they are. We have some moderators here as young as 12 and we have some that are as old as 72. And right now we don't seem to have anybody on, but that's totally fine. You know, some people, everybody's actually at work right now. It's right in the middle of the day and people haven't even stopped for lunch yet. So the video is going to go up very soon and we have Vegan Semi here. Why aren't you vegan yet? So thank you, Vegan Semi. You see Vegan has his name here perfectly well. He's 33 years old and he's from Cyprus. So I really do appreciate Semi being here. And I'm going to just make sure I say a hello to him. Vegan Semi. There we go. And a little heart. There we go. Don't be vegan. I don't know what you're talking about. This vegan girl, vegan teacher, funny. Don't know what you're talking about. Agree, don't feel pain. That's true. All right, so thank you to everybody who's vegan, and I want to remind you of something in case you don't know. So I sang the song about plants don't feel pain, but I want you to also be aware of what the definition of veganism is, in case you don't know. So veganism is a philosophy and a way of living which seeks to exclude as far as is possible and practicable all forms of exploitation of and cruelty to animals for food, clothing, or any other purpose, and by extension promotes the development and use of animal-free alternatives for the benefit of animals, humans, and the environment. That's the definition of veganism. So you see, it's not about food, it's about the animals. And I also wanted to show you something else here. This is what it feels like to be vegan. Being vegan, whoops, do you see I went right through there? That's the way the green screen is. Being vegan is like trying to rescue drowning animals, desperately pulling them out of the water one by one, and having your family, friends, and everyone around you throwing them back in. So that's why we are so happy when there are people who are vegan here, who are kind animal defenders. So we have Semi who wrote again, listen to Miss Katie. She's informing you about very important topics that you need to know to make the world a better place. So thank you again for being here. Now, when the video starts, the music starts on the video. It's going to be really loud. And what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to just turn this down, actually. I can just maybe mute the video itself, the music. And so what I would like you to do is remember to subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. So go ahead and click on them. Be curious. And if you haven't seen this video here, go ahead and watch that too. So subscribe. Let's put a broccoli there because, you know, broccoli is something you should eat every day. Don't forget to eat at least 30 different kinds of vegan foods every day. That doesn't mean 30 different meals. It means 30 different kinds of foods. So for example, every spice counts and every little bit of fruit that you eat counts. Okay, so we do have it here. All right, so let me see if I can, well, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to say bye to you right now. Because I don't know how to stop the sound here. I would have to stretch this out. Let's see. Does that work? I'm going to stretch this right out. I got to try to find where the mute button is. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's the mute button. So the music is going and everybody is still here busy commenting. So thank you so much again for being here. Please be kind to the animals and be kind to each other. Give yourself a hug because I know it's not easy what I'm asking you to do when you live in a carnist world, but do your best. Just look at your plate and make the best choice, that which is in line with your own morals. Thanks again for being here. We'll see you all in the next video. Okay? Okay. Bye for now, everyone. Do 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 do.